Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete text messages on Android. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you will need just to go to your messages app on the Android, and in our case, we are just going to start new messages so we can be able to delete them. So here you will need just to click on start chat. I'm just going to add any random number. And here I'm just start to go in to send some messages. Of course, you will need just to have, uh, let's just add some messages. For example, hello, and I'm going to send this message. So basically, I'm just going like that and send. And in my case, it won't be send, but the steps are the same. So now all you need to do to delete this message, you will need just to uh, select. So you will need just to hold on message, and basically you can find one selected. So basically either you can duplicate it and do other actions, but we want just to delete the message, and we will be able to delete this message. And of course, if you want to multiple delete messages, you will need just to send multiple messages, always allow, and we are just going to send several messages, for example, this one, and this one. So now we are just going to hold this one, and basically we will need just to select all of the messages, and we can bulk delete our messages on Android. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you in future tutorials.